In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're using it for professional or personal purposes, understanding its vast array of features can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right into it. To begin, go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook on your computer or device. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily set one up by visiting the Microsoft website and following their straightforward instructions. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that Outlook is divided into four main sections: Mail, Calendar, People or Contacts, and Tasks. Each of these sections is integral to managing different aspects of your digital life. Let's start with the Mail section, the heart of Outlook. Here, you can compose, send, and organize your emails with ease. Click on New Email to open a window where you can draft messages. Don't forget to utilize the toolbar to format your text, attach files, or even set your emails as high priority. After composing your message, simply hit Send to deliver it. To keep your inbox organized, you can create folders for specific topics or projects just by right-clicking on your existing folder list and selecting New Folder. Drag and drop emails into these folders to keep everything neat and accessible. Moving on to the Calendar section, this is where you can schedule appointments and plan events. Simply click on a date to start creating an event. You can set the time, location, and even invite others by entering their email addresses. Don't overlook the option to set reminders so you never miss an important event. It's a fantastic way to visually manage your schedule and ensure you're exactly where you need to be, exactly when you need to be there. Next, we have the People or Contacts section. This area allows you to store and manage all your important contacts in one place. You can add new contacts manually or import them from other services, ensuring that all your essential communication information is always at your fingertips. Having an updated contact list will facilitate seamless communication and save you tons of time in the long run. Last but not least, automation is a key feature that can save you even more time. Outlook allows you to set up rules and filters which automatically sort, label, and move emails based on criteria you specify. To do this, simply access the Rules option under the Outlook settings. You can create rules to manage incoming messages so they are sorted, responded to, or forwarded automatically. This preemptive organization prevents your inbox from becoming overwhelming. By getting comfortable with these core aspects of Microsoft